will discuss at the end. Guys, clear? So I do see there's many students who raise your hands, We will understand, no problem. We'll have discussions and all those things. Clear? I think like Tanya and Sheetal, everyone, guys. Understanding? Okay, let's try. Any students who had any questions, we'll discuss at the end. So please, in the meantime, you just will understand what exactly this program is all about. Okay, that's fine, Shivam. I can understand. Yeah. So I really appreciate my old students and also the new students, also the first time joiner or second time joiner. Welcome, guys. Okay. So the name of the program which we schedule is just one moment. So we'll discuss all those things later, guys. Let's go ahead and we start. So let me introduce this one. Good evening, everyone. So let's start. So if you see this, and again, welcome to Naresh IT, and the program is Resume Building Bootcamp. So I know when we say resume building, okay, everybody know that, okay, resume, everyone can build. But what makes the resume it's so strong, and what type of resume could get high chance to get more interview calls? So it's remain a question mark. I wouldn't say that nobody knows. I'd say everyone know how to resume building on any domains, guys. All right. So here, this bootcamp I'm conducting for 3 days, guys. So if you see this, the name of the workshop is Resume Building Bootcamp. And so today, Wednesday, so it's 6 p.m., Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So we're going to understand this 3 days. And I mentioned detailed documentations so that I can share the notes and also you can take away of all the concepts or maybe the thing which you done, it's fine. If you not done, please add on these things. It would definitely helpful for you. So I hope understand everyone. Okay. So I would see that some of students has raised your hands will speak at later, guys. No need to worry. Okay. So try to let's go ahead and discuss. All right. Just 1 second. All right. Just go ahead and understand now. One moment. Attendees. All right. I'm checking. Still people are joining. That's fine. Okay. Let's try. So today, 3 days workshop. So I will tell you the agenda for the day one. The agenda is foundation of resume building. In today, I'm gonna cover. I'll take a 4 session. The first session one is introductions to resume building. And sir, voice is not clear. Lucas, can you check your internet? Online team, does my voice is clear? Yes, clear. Lokesh, can you please check your internet? So guys, I hope clear from my side. You check from your side. Everything is perfect here. So today is the day one. So let me write down everything. So we have a 3 days resume building boot camp. All right. So today we are at day one. In the day one, the program is foundations of resume building. This is the day one. And in here, I wanted to cover the 4 session. The session one is introductions to resume building. Session two, understanding AI tools. So using help of AI tools, how anyone, a non-technical expertise professionals, anyone can make a beautiful and interactive resumes, guys. Okay, so using AI tools, we can build that. And session three, resume authenticity. So what exactly mean by authenticity, we understand. And then session four, what technical skills and certifications you have to be mentioned in your resume to get all those things, guys. Hello, sir. Are we get? Sir, your voice is not audible. See, let me write down. So let me write down. Dear online students, okay, please check your internet connections. So everyone can hear me except few. So guys, if you join in mobile Wi-Fi, I mean mobile internet, definitely it will glitch. So please adjust from your side. Are you clear? Everybody, just go ahead and understand. So team, please join our Instagram, Naresh IT. You can log into this. So the question, I will share all these documents. I will share these slides, everything. I will share these slides, no need to worry. So everything is shareable. So let's start today's program. So today is day one of our resume building boot camp. In this day one, what we covered is introductions to resume building and session two, understanding AI tools. So most of them not aware of these tools. Because of that, you never create such a interactive resumes. We're going to do that. And session three, resume authenticity, that what exactly mean by this. And session four, technical skills and certifications. So this four topics we're going to cover today. This four topics we're going to cover today. See, this is not such kind of coding and all those things. So this is a very important, I can say, any professionals has to be understand this. So this is the day one topic. So once we covered this, let's go to day two. In day two, topic will advanced resume techniques. In day two, advanced resume techniques, session 5, addressing career gaps. So how to address career gaps? Due to some mistakes, the career gaps happen because of you write some government exam, and might be career gaps happen because of the backlogs, the career gaps happened. And session 6, crafting ATS friendly resumes. So I think most of the people are saying, okay, so I learned this codes and I created my resumes, but still my resumes are not shortlisted. What's the reason behind this? So how do we make ATS friendly resumes? We're going to learn that as well. And session 7, everybody know about GPT, Chat GPT. So how GPT would help us to generate a resume content. Also, we understand this. And session 8, what are the job websites for opportunities and remote opportunities? This would be the day two. This would be the day two agenda. Guys, clear? So this is a 3 days resume building boot camp, and the first one today is the day one. We covered these sessions. And can you please day one video recording? Yes, it is live. You will get all the recordings, no problem. So today is day one, guys. Paddy, today is day one. Okay, so today is day one, and tomorrow is day two. And this is the day two agenda. I'll try to give you a heads up on 3 days planning, what's gonna happen on the 3 days. And day three, last day, job search strategies and networking. So session 9, freelancing platforms. Session 10, building an interactive LinkedIn profile. And session 11, job search safety tips. And session 12, Q&A feedback. Are you clear, everybody? So we have a 3 days agenda, and this is the day one agenda, and this is the day two agenda, and this would be the day three agenda. No need to be worried. Everything, all the materials will share to you. I'll give you one file to scan the QR code, and once you scan the QR code, you get all this drive to you guys, all the documents you have, guys. But before I give the QR scanner, I'll give you at last. Online team, I hope understand. Okay, let's start. Before I introductions, might be the old students, I mean my existing students, the new me, and some of the students who joined me for the first time. So I just have a little intro about me. So so right now I'm working as a lead data scientist in Naresh IT, and also I have 17 plus year industry experience. Next year it is become 18. And I have work experience in these companies: GE, Value Labs, Emphasis, Itface, Kiabi, and A3 Max. And I have teaching experiences in Triple IT, Upgrade, Great Learning, and also Corporate Trainer, and Naresh IT, and Synergetic Software Solutions, and all those things. Right now, I'm working with my permanent working client, is European based client. And so here in Naresh IT, I do provide training for data science and generative AI, guys. All right. So to catch me more, you can reach out my LinkedIn profile, as you can go ahead and search me from here. And this is what the LinkedIn profile, and I can share you in the chat window if you want to. In this LinkedIn profile, this is not an Instagram profile, guys. This is a professional's account where you can get back to my accounts and you can identify like what's my experience, which company I've been worked, and which projects, what are the practical things, everything you can get to know from this one, guys. Team, are you clear? Okay. So this is all about my introductions. So we no need to be delay things, and let's start the session one. So up to this, everybody clear? Also, right now, I'm working on research phase and working on few technology. I will show you which things we working right now. Sir, but I'm Python student, then I'm attend this. Yeah, you can, guys, Python developer also can attend this sessions, no worries. So right now, I'm mostly integrate with ML system design and Gen AI limitations. Like when the generative AI, sir, is this for internship too? Yes, you can. Yes, guys, you can. And while we build generative AI projects, we get a lot of issues like dependency, ethical concern, overfitting, privacy glitch, and misinformations and projects and Gen AI infra. We do try to set up some infrastructures as well, like capacity planning, and then most infra architecture with cloud, with OpenAI and Gemini GCP, also morely integrate with Terraform infra deployment. So I'm working on these like leaderships programs and also some of the capacity planning with new setups with generative AI integrations and security and hallucinations, all those things, guys. So guys, this is all my experiences. Okay. So let me repeat again. So the students who joined right now, I just, there's a few things. The name of the workshop is Resume Building Bootcamp. This is a 3-day program. Today is day one, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 3 days. So every day join by 6 p.m. Every day join by 6 p.m. And today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All right. So who is audience? Who is audience means who can join this program? Anyone, Python developer, as we are a technical guy. So Python developer and like data analytics students, and then business analyst, and then we can go for like data science. Okay, data science and Gen AI or LLM developers. So these guys can attend this program, guys. All right. Yeah. So when you MBA, you can refer to this. If you join non-technical, still it makes sense because we not do any coding now. We not do any coding because the naming itself resume building. So when I talk about resume, everybody how to create a resume. So also say how to build resume for freshers. Yes, we'll also teach all those things, how to resume build for freshers. And shall we build all together today, team? Shall we build resume together using some of wonderful AI tools? Wonderful AI tools. Shall we go ahead, everybody? Okay, team. All right, fantastic. Appreciate. So before I go ahead and before we go for resume, so let's discuss some of the slides. Let's discuss some of the slides, and I will share them all so that keep these slides for your reference, as I have good amount of exposure, so many students also placed under me. I know how things going on in organizations, how HR level things, how management things, and how leaderships things. So it would be a best thing if I give guidance and light on these concepts, guys. Just go ahead and understand this topic. Now, so today, just from current slide, Okay, so this is the boot camp we're going on in day one agenda, introduction. So let's start now. Before I before I continue, I want to ask one questions. What is resume? Introduce to resume building. I hope you can see my screen and slides are very neat and clean and read them. Sir, is this session available offline? Offline, if you want to come, that's okay, Ashrita. You can attend also. No problem, because I'm in Naresh IT office itself. What is resume? A resume is a summarized key document that presents an individual's background. Exactly, Navneet, that's right. So, individuals' background, qualifications, skills, work experience, certifications, achievements to present of employers, isn't it? So whenever we apply any jobs, right, employers means organizations. Employee means we. We all are employee. Employers are organizers like Wipro, Accenture, Verizon, Audi. These are employers. Resume means an individual's background, qualifications, skills, work experience, certifications, achievements to present in a documents, and these documents I'll send it to the employers. That's called resume or CV, and this one everybody knows it. Also, a resume is a well structured resume can make a strong impressions to help to get more job interview calls, guys, isn't it? A well structured resume can make a strong impressions to help to get more job interview calls. So interview calls, even though your resume is fine and you not get interview call. See, you heard about recessions. Sometimes the company has no opportunities, so they cannot give you a call, isn't it? So I'll get a lot of discussions in upcoming day. So introductions. So the first session, session one, we understand what's mean by definition of resume and what is mean by resume, or resume also we call it CV, curriculum vitae. Okay, you can send your CV or profile, or different naming people will call it, guys. Resume, CV, profile. Understand? It's resume means individual, all this. Now next one, importance of strong resume. Let me tell you why we need to build a strong resume. Everybody can create a resumes, but how the resume is strong? The first impression is best impressions, guys. When a recruiter see your profile, and that should be very much impressed, isn't it? How to make your profile is impress. It doesn't mean that you make a flowers, you make a animals, and you make the lot of, no, it's not like that. Impressions with lot of nice content in the representations of your project. Next, highlights your qualifications. Differentiate you. How? Always understand one thing, guys, how your resume would differ from others. Understand, guys? How your resume would differ from others. This is the main key points I just wanted to highlight, and helps you pass applicant tracking system, ATS. Do you know what is ATS, guys? Let me tell you. I mean, in 5 years back and 6 year back, we don't have concepts called ATS. Now these new systems are okay interpreted to check a resume check, guys, so that if you copy from one profile to other profile, this tracking systems can recognize, guys, that what's your score level, what would be the ATS score. So some of the company they considered 80, some of the companies considered 90. So you has to be work on a good ATS score resume would leads to a good interview call. I'm not saying job offers, I'm saying interview call. Showcase your achievements. What is achievements? When you write, take a test in lead code, when you write an exam in like, Geeks for Gigs or some of the coding competitions, the hackathon, you get all these achievements, guys. And reflect professionalism, your applications to specific roles. Okay, remember your applications to be specific role. What exactly mean by that? I do see many profile resume. They are mentioned Python developer. They are mentioned LLM developer. Okay. And they are mentioned like ML engineer. In one resume, they are mentioned like a data scientist. So my question, is this specific related job? No, you can't say that this is a specific related job. So when a HR see your profile, he only confused, man, whether this guy up. See, you are a fresher. When you are a fresher, when you mention you're looking for Python developer, LLM developer, ML engineer, and data scientist, when you are a fresher, you shouldn't mention any job role, guys. You guys getting my point? Online team, are you understand? Any link to, yeah, Kumud, I will share all those things. Kumud, I will share a lot of 3 days boot camp going on. So this is the first day, and we'll cover all the topic one by one. So freshers, the big, I mean, the freshers, as per my experience, see, different people say different answers. As per my 17-year experience, what I'm saying that being a fresher, you apply job. Okay, whatever they give you offers, you can accept it. Once you get experience, now you can put your these skills level, whether you look for Python developer or you're good at Python developer, just mention Python developer only. If you apply for data scientist, just mention data scientist only, so that the profile is very much clear. Okay, when the HR is review your profile, okay, this profile is looking for data scientist. Now let's push them into data scientist bucket. So online team, are you understand? Online team, are you understand, everyone, guys? Okay, the old students, new students, the one who, sir, is it possible fresher to get in big MNC? Of course, of course, guys. Let's understand this one. Are you guys clear? So what are the topics we done so far? Leads to job interview. So today in the session one, the first topic, introductions to resume building. And today in this first session, session one, what we covered is a resume is a summarized key document of individual background, qualification, skills, and importance of strong resume. Always try to build a strong resume, and trust me, a resume cannot copy and paste from others. Understand, guys? Resume is nothing but it's a strong weapon to win the war. Means strong weapon to win the job. And means you get an interview calls, guys. So how do you copy one mindset to other mindset, guys? How do you copy one skill set to resume, to prepare a resume, to build a resume? You need to have proper planning. Proper planning. And let me tell you, resume cannot be built in one day. You guys understand? Resume cannot be built one day. For resume, every day you have to sit and think that from the childhood onwards, what you are expert. You guys getting my point? Expert at math, expert at science, expert at oops concepts, expert at ML predictions, expert at deployment, expert at okay model predictions and cloud integrations. You need to think about them and write the list of expert skills and represent in your profile. So many people not doing simply the same. Give me the resume sample. So what do you do with the resume sample? When you get resume sample from anybody, you copy and paste it. It's a big mistake. So I wouldn't suggest a resume can be copy and paste. Resume can be built by own learning and expert points, guys. Team, are you understand, guys? Are you clear, everyone? Okay, yes. Charan, I already once again explained you. Okay, Charan, go back to this now. Let's have understand. So key components of strong resume. How to make strong resume? First, contact informations. Like many people, many students, they make the phone numbers, and when they are in village, the phone number is not connect. Am I clear? I hope you understand, guys. In contact informations, your name, phone number, email, and sometimes a LinkedIn profile, portfolio link, stronger competitive edge, guys. So you need to apply the contact informations, the number which you update in your profile in resume. It should be reachable at any point of time. So that's because it's an opportunity. Opportunity never comes every day. So when the time of opportunity, when your mobile is switched off and recruiter unable to reach you, so opportunity is gone, guys, isn't it? So there's a few simple things really matters a lot. I would say that contact information and then professional summary or objective, a brief overview of your career goals or summary of your key qualifications and work experience. If you have work experience, I know you guys know about this work experience, what you need to mention. I don't have need to be detailed. In work experience, you mention list of companies, list of jobs you worked before, and including job titles, company names, dates of employment is key essential for that. Dates of employment means you can work in Wipro from 2020 to 24 and work in Accentures from to 2025 to, so these dates and years are important, guys. Educations. In educations, you have to mention your background, including degree earned and institutions attend, and because these, I think these things are no skills, certifications or awards, projects or volunteer work. So I know everyone is mentioned this, but never be a mention any fake informations over your strong resume, guys. All right. So this is what the key components of to build a strong resume. So the first one today in session one, we discuss what is resume and importance of strong resume and what are the key components of strong resume we just covered now. Next one, understanding AI tools for resume creations. So before I go back to the session two, I hope in session one, yes, just go back to in session one. So, what is resume and how to make a strong resume? We covered the 2 points, guys. Clear? Then, in session two, let's understand, we'll use some AI tools. How to create a interactive resume using AI tools, guys. Understand? So I before I have workshop, I review a lot of the tools and I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So some of the website also is a paid one, but still some of the websites are free, some of the website are paid one. Okay. So even though paid one, I would refer them because it's easy and very interactive resumes you can make out of these AI tools. Because when you log into these websites, they will give you the scores as well, as per the standard, as per the market standard. What's your resume scores you can find out. So let me list of resume building AI tools and platforms offers unique feature job seeker. Now the first one is Kick Resume. The second one is Job Scan. The third website is Enhancy. The fourth one is ResumeMake. And the next one is Reezy. And next one is Zeti and resume.com and resume.io and Nova Resumes, guys. So I will share these list of the websites where you can make your profile in nice way. Team, understand? So what I want you to do, so here I'll pick a simple resume. I just don't mention as it's a live YouTube going on. So just you can hear, okay, maybe zip code, and this is any state I can say. Let's assume, see, Python developer. I'll create a test resume to show in these workshops, guys. Okay. I mentioned some of the test resume to show this workshop. In this resume, this person, I didn't disclose the person name and I didn't disclose the credential informations. Don't try to contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all those things. It's not going to work out. Okay. So all those things we have, guys. So a person, Python developer, data analyst, ML engineer. Now my question, is this valid? Can you answer, guys? Do you think when a HR can see this type of profile, they will confuse or not confuse? Online team, can you respond? They will confuse or not confuse? They will confused. Of course, yes. Why they will confuse? Yes, Veena, because they will confuse, because whether this guy apply for Python developer or data analyst, exactly, he's applying multiple job role in one profile. So I do see many of them is applying this type of opportunity. So I would suggest to not apply this, guys, isn't it? So when you're saying that they're confused, then definitely they will confuse, guys. So now this is a simple resume we created in this one. And also I want to tell you, just when we apply jobs in 7 years back, we can have 4-page resumes and 5-page resumes we prepared early days, guys. But now no recruiter, no recruiter has patience to read 5-page documents, guys. Are you understand? So based on my experience, no recruiter has patience to read 5-page document. So always try to create visualize resumes, guys. Try to create visualize resume. So what is meant by visualize? We will create a visualize resume using help of one tool. So before that, I want everyone. You have one resume sample, everyone with you, guys, online team and offline team. So what I want you to do, please create a sample resume, whatever you have, guys. I don't mind it's edited or not. Okay, whatever resume you have. So whatever resume you have, okay, now you keep open that. You open the profile. The way, let's do together and we'll try to create a interactive resumes. So just try to, I'll give you a heads up. See, what I'm trying to say, this is the best way, which every time we follow, because this resume is more offers. Why I'm more confidently I'm speaking, because my almost 400 students, 400 to 450 students, they got placed, guys, under my training program. So I know what's mentality. I also connect with multiple HRs, leaderships, and we have a lot of seminars and interactions with them. Based on that, I get know all the part, how things going on. Understand? So in this case, I open one file. Can you open this, guys? Not this one, your resumes. Your resume. You can open any resume. If you never create, the students who not create any resume, just don't work. Maybe you can do later. Maybe you can do later. Am I clear? Am I clear, guys? So in this one, let's go to some of the AI tools. If you refer to these AI tools, so in this, I am use this AI tool, jetty.com. What is the AI tool, guys? Jetty.com. So I'll go to Google and type Jetty resume builder. So online team, everyone open Google and you can try Jetty resume builder. Are you work with me, everybody? If you work, I'll continue. I'll wait for you so that you can refer. And the live is going on in YouTube. I'll share the live link. Okay. And after the class, you can appreciate your comments and so that we get more interactions on upcoming classes, guys. So online team, are you work with me? Just I need everyone from 300 employees, whoever joining today, whoever joining this batch. If you already expert in this, that's fine. But freshers, learners, and mid experience, you has to be listen. Okay, fantastic. Now Jetty. So let me click this Jetty. So once you click this, yes, sir. Good one. Yep. So once you follow this, very simple, create your my account. And just once you go to create your my account, what I'm trying to say, I'm saying just go to very simple process. Just go to Google. And once you refer to the Google, and once you refer to the Google, and you can get jetty.com and you can log into my account, or in Google, you can type Jetty Resume Builder. This is one of the AI tools. This is one of the AI tools. And this is a paid one, guys. This is a not free. This is not free. This is paid one. And after that, I will show you a free one as well. So there are in this boot camp, I want to show you two AI tools which benefit for everybody. So just go to Jetty tool and my account. And once you go to the my account, sign in with Google, and you can open any Google account. So I can log into my account here. Just continue. You can log into your Google account. No need to create any registrations. Now, do you see the first page? What is first page, guys? The first page it's showing, the first page it's showing. So how long have you been working? So whether no experience, less than 3 years, 3 to 5 years, 5 to 10 years, 10 plus years, it does not matter what experience you have. If you are less than 3 years, click these options. Do you see they split the experience into three level? They split the experience into three level. Are you fresher? Are you experienced with less than 3? Are you experienced with 3 to 5 and 5 to 10 and 10 plus, which is leadership? So now here, as I try to create a fresher resume, let's consider as no experience. I have 17, I can click 10 plus, but as I do see that, can you tell me online team which one we need to select? No experience or 10 plus, which one? Just ping me based on your comment, we can follow it. No experience, no experience, less than 3, no experience. What about rest of them? No experience. Okay. So let me select no experience because the vote is, are you a student? Tell me yes or no. Which one we need to select? Yes or no? Yes, let's consider. Okay, guys, even though you study, so the one, let's, Harish, you select 3 to 5 years. Okay, Harish? The one who working professionals, they can select based on your profile. And at this moment, I'll select yes and select the options that best describe your education's level. If you don't want to, if you do masters or PhD or bachelor's or based on it, so you can refer this and prefer not to answers. So maybe you can see bachelor's as a common. So I select bachelor's and then apply this, guys. Do you see by default, are you get a templates, guys? Are you see a templates? Please answer me. Everyone got the templates? Yes. Everyone got the templates? Okay, now you got the templates. Got it. Everyone got the templates? Yes. See, the templates are inbuilt. You no need to design any web pages. You no need to design any resume pages. The templates are already inbuilt by this famous tool Jetty. Now, once you do this, what you want to do, which resume you liked it. So which resume you liked it. So I'm just click the first one. You just scroll down, you find out a number of resumes. So you need to keep your face, keep your image using this resume options. But for me, I don't want to keep the images is doesn't a really matters your photo, I just select the first one and choose template. Just go to the choose template. Now, once you choose template, everybody done the next step? Everybody choose the template, guys? Everyone choose the templates? Fantastic. Once you choose the templates, now, so you already had a Word document or not? Guys, you already had a Word documents? So yes, now click this upload from my resume. And next, when you say no, start from scratch, I want everyone to select upload from my resume, upload from my resume. And once you click this upload from my resume, just go to the next options. Just go to the next options. Are you work with me, team? Are you working with me? Okay, just go to the next option. Once you go to the next options, it's saying drop a file here. Just drop a file. Just I'm gonna drop a file and I save my resumes over here. Test resume. Just upload and then everyone please upload. I will wait for you. Please upload everybody. Done. Done. So once you upload done, okay, Harish, that's fine. You can mention 3 to 5. Okay. Once you're done, can you go to the next now? And we're uploading your resume. Just education successfully. Do you see these AI tools? What is AI? Artificial intelligence. So that means your these, okay, fantastic. Now, do you see this successfully imported? Now, I done a very simple Word document randomly. And now the moment when I imported, successfully imported. Do you see this, guys? Do you see this? And then continue. Okay, in this continue, if you want to update my experience, select. So what brought here today? First, update my experience. As you are no experience, you need to do this. And if you want to update my resume design, get a fresh template, colors, fonts, find expertly written content and get my resume checked for errors and quality. It's very good that it also, these AI tools would give in you your resume some grammars, errors, quality, and continue. Once you continue, see this, guys. First, let's confirm your contact informations. Are you get back to this now? Are you get back to this, guys? Please let me know. Yes. Now you can see this, your first name, last name, profession. You are a software engineer. You are a fresher. You can say fresher, guys. Okay. Fresher. Or maybe if you apply, you expert at Python, or maybe you expert as data analyst, you can mention, okay, fresher data analyst. Okay. You can say that fresher data analyst. City, which city you living in? So you can mention your city name. I would highly recommend to apply a immense, I mean, metropolitan city. You can mention as Hyderabad or you can mention Bangalore and like this, guys. And you can keep your country and pin code. You can pin code as mentions anything, guys. And then phone number, you can keep enter your phone number like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 33 and 0. So now ABC. So do you see upload your LinkedIn .com and website and then next educations. Do you see we go to the educations now? And once we go to the educations, okay, I hope you already educations part. Then next, this is what MSc, you can change, add another degree. If you want multiple degrees, you can click this button and you keep add your another design pages, guys. So once you add multiple design pages, you can go with next professional experience. So why do you need a resume? So why do you need a resume, guys? We need to apply a job seeking or not, guys? We need to apply for a job seeking and then click this and next it. And now let's fill out. So do you see work history? If you see the moment when I log into the next, this a box is appearing here and you see these check boxes. We try to create each and everything in proper way. Just go to the next. Have you done any of this? Are you done internship? You are a freshers, right? Now the tool is asking us, are you done internship? So don't do, but best I would refer to go for internship and add your own if you want to add your any options, maybe internship or some of freelancing or some of deployment projects. You can mention your own and continue, and now go to the work history. As work history is intern, so you no need to mention, and you give all the intern documents and then go to the next. Okay, tell us about your internship experience. Whatever internship, let's say, where did you intern? Or let's say maybe, uh, let me tell, maybe there's a lot of company provide free like TechnoHack and Cognify. There's, you go to Google and check, find a list of free internships, and you get your locations and internship starting date, end date, and next year. So add more about this work experience. No thanks. And once you've done this, generalize personal content. Okay, no thanks. Do you see this, guys? Now the job profile. So what would be the job profile here? So team, are you guys, I hope understand everyone? Yes or no? So you can also work along with me so that you can understand how things. So it's saying the system recommend you to add this system. What is the job profile? The job profile, you can say, developed organizational skill, multiple task while deadline. So this is what you can create, and then next you can add this one and then continue. Once we continue, next we go for intent done. If you have, because you're a fresher right now, we work with fresher, and the next skill level. And skill level, what skill you have? Next skill level, technical profile and skills. Right now, I will give you a technical profile and skills for Python developer, business analyst, data analyst, generative AI engineer, ML developer, and deep learning engineers. I will share this. You need to add these technical skills next. What technical skills you have? So if you refer to this language, which language you know? Python, scripting, object oriented, and databases. Show me the experience. I will show you guys. This is, we are doing a fresher profile. We are doing a fresher resume, Vikas, and you can do it your experience profile as well. Okay, Vikas. By continue the same things. By continue the same things. If you need to see tools, which SQL, please add on SQL. Do you see SQL added or not? And then you can add another one, MySQL. And then if you add like PL SQL or MATLAB, or maybe you can go for Git, and then you have like Tableau, and then we have like, let's say Power BI, and whatever you know, Docker. If you know Docker, you can mention MongoDB, R program, and Postgres. And then we have like Python, GitHub. We know GitHub, and then you can Microsoft Office 365. You know this, and you can find multiple programming languages like Python. I'm just P. So you have all the languages. Like if you refer to object oriented, okay, check. And databases. If you do, you see all, you can also add many things like in your manual Python, and then machine learning, and then machine learning, and the next skills. When you go to the next skills, do you see all the skills are added or not? Professionals writers recommend 6 out of 12 skills. Now it's saying you need to write only 6 skills. Okay, so far we done skill 6 and next summary. When you do the summary and next here, and this is all the summary we created. And in summary also, this tool is recommend you. See, what are the steps we covered? Heading we covered, education, professional experience, skill summary. If you want to go back to education, just click here. It go to educations. If you want to go back to professionals, just click here. It will go to professionals team. So guys, are you understand everyone? Isn't it it's amazing tool? Isn't it it's amazing tool, guys? Yes. So you create your skill level in Notepad, you upload, so it will create your interactive profile to you. Just go here and then summary. We done all the summary, and then we go to finalize. Once you go to next extra solutions, Do you have anything to add? You want to add some software, accomplishment, and additional informations? And then you can go to the next here, and then next. Got it. Do you see? We create a interactive profile, guys. If you refer to this, we create a interactive profile. Do you see this, guys, now? Just close, and this is what we created. In how many minutes? In 10 minutes, we created such a interactive. So guys, are you see this or not? Disclaimer. So now you can do it better. And just one moment. Just one moment. Okay. So as I told you, so this is a, oh, okay. So I think I just go back again and can we check the ATS code? So I will cover tomorrow, Satyam. This is a 3 days program. And so how many of them created this profile, guys? How many of them created this profile? Go to experience and here done. Very good, Darshanikant. And anyone else, guys? Just go to Jetty and one moment. Such an amazing profile. Are we created or not, guys? So this is a, okay. Now you can have all those terms and conditions, privacy policy, spell check. You can also do the spell check here, add sections, and you need to designing and formatting and templates we have, guys. So guys, are you clear? So how we create such an interesting profile using help of the AI tool. And also, this is one AI tools we have. And if I go to other AI tools, you can use this novaresume.com. So once you go to the novaresume.com, and the good part of this profile is uh, this has certified by Forbes. So now how can we check the ATS score? ATS score I'll give you tomorrow. I will tell you how to check ATS score profile and how do we work. We understand this one. So another profile is Nova Resume. You can also go to the sign in and this is absolutely free. So I will tell you there's two things we understand. The first one is, what is the first one, guys? Jetty.com. It's not an open source. It's not a free, but it's excellent one. It's fantastic one. Anyone can easily build such a interactive profile, guys. And then, all right, then one, nova.com. In nova.com, it's a free one. You can create, you can generate a nice resume. Okay. For one page, it's a free, guys. For one page, it's a free. So similarly, see, you know how to find out all those things may not accept clean look Word documents. Exactly. So why industry may not accept a clean look? It's not like that, Navneet. They accept it. Canva also you can try. Yeah. So do you see you have Kick Resume, Job Scan, Enhance, and you can also add Canva. Okay. You know, canva.com. So you have multiple AI tools. So I would say this would be these tools are excellent where you can make your profile in a nice way. Guys, are you understand? So everyone, so we done 2 sessions. The first session one is introductions to resume building, and second session, we just see, to be honest, guys, you can create resume in different way, but I'm saying how to use the leverage of these AI tools, and you can create such an amazing profile, which AI catching and proper decorated with all those things. And when you do all those things in manual, it take more time, isn't it? So I hope understand. So guys, so the second session too, we work, using AI tools to create an interactive resume. Understand, team? So guys, I hope you're clear, everyone. Okay. Before that, can you please scan this QR code? Can you please scan this QR code? Once you scan this QR code, So Tim, can you scan this QR code, the QR code which I'm showing here once more? Yeah. Once you scan this QR code, you get all the slides which I'm given here. Are you able to scan it, team? Yes. Okay. So in there, okay, let me complete 2 sessions. Do you see in session 3, 2 sessions we completed? Let's go to the session 3, resume authenticity. What's meant by resume authenticity? That means refers to the accuracy, honesty, and truthful of the informations presented in your resume. So never try to fake anything. It's crucial that all details like work experience, skills, education. See, I do see many people doesn't know any concepts they will add on to it. Okay. A resume that lacks authenticity can lead to serious consequences both during hiring process and your career as well. Understand, Tim? So be authenticity means try to keep a genuine informations in your profile, the one which you know, please mention that itself or else do not mention. And honesty in your resume can lead to more secure and fulfilling career in the long run as it set foundations for success built on truth, guys. Let me tell you, if we tell one lie, we have to tell 10 lies, isn't it? If you tell one lie, you have to tell 10 lies, guys. But if you genuine, things would be late, but still that's okay. Team, getting my point? So if things would be delay, but that's okay, tell them to come. So understand? So we have all those things. So this session 3 is resume authenticity. That means whenever you build your profile, you should be genuine on it, guys. So this is the session 3. And session 4, are you scan this QR code? Technical skills and certifications. Business analyst. If you apply for a BA job, DA job, data scientist job, deep learning engineer job, Gen AI engineer, LLM developer, Python developer. So if you apply these jobs, what I want you to do, once you scan this QR code, you will get all these PDFs, guys. Just one moment, I'll show the PDF here. The first one, do you see? I'm going to share this drive as well. Also, one moment. Okay, I'm shared this drive to you. Just copy and paste it over here. And we create a 3 days Google Classroom. Can you please log into the Google Classroom and share your resume so that we can discuss, guys? Do you see? This is the Google Classroom. So after go home, spend some time and create your profile, and then you can post your profile here as well so that we can see that, guys. Today is day 1 of resume preparations. Online team, are you follow me? Online team, are you follow me, guys? So there's a 2 file. First file, scan this QR code. Did you scan this QR code? Yes. Once you scan this resume bootcamp for 3 days, today we working on day 1. First, if you apply for a Python developer job role, let me tell you, just one moment. I'll open the folder and you need to download that Python developer job class not found. Wait. No access to the classroom. Wait. First, listen to this. We'll talk about this later, guys. If you apply for a Python developer technical skills, there's a few things you need to remember. Now, I want you to talk to yourself. Programming. Python, strong knowledge on syntax, features, control flow, oops, error handling. Second, web development, Flask, Django, Fast API. Third one, data manipulations, Pandas, NumPy. database management SQL ORM, version control Git and GitHub GitLab Bitbucket. We'll work multi-practicals from Bitbucket as well, and testing and debugging, how to do unit test or PyTest to write a test cases in Python development, API development. Trust me, these technical skills are very highly essential. I prepared these documents based on the experience one. If you do not have these technical skills, you have a less chance to get a call from recruiter. API development, RESTful APIs or GraphQL, front end optional, front end technology. This is not required. That's why I mentioned optional. DevOps, Docker and CI/CD pipeline, cloud optional again, but DevOps deployment is required. Certifications, if you want to apply for a developer certifications, Python Institute certificate, PCAP, like certified associate in Python programming, you can PCAP, Microsoft certifications, Azure developer associate, AWS certified developer associate. So data science professional certificates like IBM, Coursera, Google IT automations with Python professionals, data camp certificates. So you need to grab them, which is absolutely free. So please, these technical skill set, you have to mentions here. Right now we build this resume or not? Do you see? In technical skills, we are showing empty technical profile in resume. So guys, understand these technical skills you must have to mentions in Python developer, data science technical skills. Okay, listener, are you clear? Next one, if you apply for data scientist or Gen AI job role, okay, let's see Gen AI technical skills. If you want to be a generative AI engineer or developers or Gen AI research fellows, anyway, Python language like OOPS, everything you should learn. TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, core generative models like DCGAN, CycleGAN, StyleGAN, variationals, autoencoders, autoregressive model transformers, data pre-processing and argumentations, model training and optimizations, model evolutions. See, non-technical people might not understand, but for the guys 5:30 p.m. batch, the one who completed, I hope then deployment, APIs, fast APIs, version control, Git and Jupyter Notebook, cloud computing, either AWS or Azure or GCP, and then certifications, deep learning, Andrew ng from Coursera. You can get the certificates absolutely free, and you can mention in your resume. It's absolutely authenticity is allowed, guys. And then TensorFlow developer certificates, Azure AI engineer associate, and I will share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 technical skills and certifications are given to you. If you scan this QR code, I want you to go back and pull out all the skill set and make your profile based on it. Let's see the response. Damn sure you're going to get a good response, guys. If you don't know the skills, please upgrade the skills and apply in your profile. So team, are you following me, guys? I hope understand. So everyone got this one? Are you able to download this file? Veena, see this data science. If you go back to the data science, okay, DS technical skills. For data science, Python is core, OOPS, functions, all those things you need to know, and pandas, NumPy, scikit-learn, matplotlib, TensorFlow, PyTorch. R is not required, so you can skip that, but still I mentioned SQL, essential for query and management, machine learning, supervised, unsupervised deep learning, like Keras, XGBoost, LightGBM, data manipulations like data wrangling, data transformations. Every company DSA for freshers or whatever. No, man, who said that? If you apply for FANG and MANG, Nagendra, then only they're asking. Understand? Your friend say to you, but have you encountered like that? Getting my point? See, you don't need to be worried about what your friend says. You have to see what about you. Next one, data visualizations, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, Power BI, statistics, hypothesis testing, statistical modeling, big data, Apache, Hadoop, Spark, Hive, NLTK, Speci, Hugging Face transformers in NLP, cloud computing, any tool, either Azure, AWS, and GCP, data engineer, ETL, API integrations with RESTful APIs, version control, and then these are certifications for data science guys. The technical skills and certifications which I prepared, it's very powerful. I would highly recommend you to download and refer them guys. Team, understand? I hope someone. Okay, so it's not possible to get into FANG companies without, am I right? Man, Veena, so let me tell you, we have a lot of companies. First, before you buy BMW car, first you try to buy cars and then we drive. You get into the old companies, new companies, get expert, then you can go to the FANG. Am I clear, Veena? And Nagendra, I hope you Java developer, Sam, I'm getting folder only. Which folder you getting? So once you scan this QR code, okay, so everybody scan once you get one moment. Let me show you this. Okay, one second. Let's close. So my drive and resume bootcamp. Okay, so I think it is. You won't find all those things, guys, here. Is it showing empty for everyone? Is it showing empty, guys? Please let me know. Yes. Yeah, okay, okay. One moment. I just go here, NIT workshops, and just resume workshops. Let's select everything, and then here, this drag and drop. Now wait. So no, everyone. No, sir, for me. Yeah, I'm just loading one moment. Please, you can find out now. No, sir. I learned Python. No, everyone says in Java. Then you can learn DS, but I want to become an engineer. See, guys, whenever you learn any codes, you need to spend some time. Anyone outside, please join. Please get them in. Yeah, please come back and listen. Okay. Okay. You're so fast, Anand. No problem. You can go ahead and listen YouTube recording. Okay, Anand Mishra. Now we can get it. Now, is it working now? Please check this, everyone. Is this working now? I hope you got this file. Respond me. Yes, sir. Excellent. Is it working now, everybody? Okay, better now. So you need to download all those things. You need to download all those things. See, in 3 days workshop, I try to cover as much as possible, guys. Okay. So if we go back to the slow, so can you please send me the class code? Class code. So one moment, I just go to the class code and so I want everyone, the students who enrolled, just copy and I'll share this link and class code. So whatever resumes you prepared, you can post here. You can post here. Okay. I guess done. So let me know. I'm waiting. This is the class link and class code. And I want everyone to scan this QR code so that you can get to know. I mean, you can download all the file and please give me a confirmation. So are you able to get it or not? Done? Fantastic. Okay. Let's copy. Also, team, I'm sharing. This is the students who are absent. So I'm sharing this YouTube live. Not able to access. No, you can access, guys. You can access, no problem. Done. Class not found. See, guys, it will take time, little search, and you will see many people are logged in. I can see that. Do you see these people are logged in already? These people are already logged in. So can you share technical skills certifications for Java developer? Okay, Vijay. Also, if any questions, you can ping me in LinkedIn. And this is what live session is going on. So day one, okay, resume boot camp, day one, we understand, guys. And this is what live for day one. So in today's session, what are the topics we covered? In today's sessions, we created a beautiful resume for freshers. Okay, how to create such an amazing profile. As we don't have a much time, so you can spend more time and create a profile. This is one websites, and this is resume.com. You can download one profile freely. And also, if you refer to this, so just you go back to the day one, we can have we completed the introductions. You can catch me on LinkedIn, and introductions to resume building, why, what make your resume as strong, and then key components of strong resumes. And then we have session two, some of using AI tools. We create a resume, and then we build it practically. And what makes resume to authenticity, we also done this. And also importance of resume, and I'll explain technical skills and certifications to mention in your resume to make your profile more, more beautiful and more eye-catching and more technically strong compared to other. So this is what the recap of the day one. So I hope understand everyone. Show the different skill technical profile. Harish will understand. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Experienced people, you know how to make a profile and how to get things done. Yes, done, guys. So this is what class link and class code you can work for there. This is the class link. Can you send again the QR code? Okay, one moment. I will share the QR code one more time. Just give me some time. One second. So just workshop, and so this is what QR code, you can take it. You can understand, guys. Okay. One moment, I'm sorry. Team done. So can we meet tomorrow then? Can we meet tomorrow? Winner, try. You will found. Then how come others are joining? Using the same way the others are joining. Do you see in the class, almost like, almost like we have like 56 students are joined. So please post your profile and we will, can this be uploaded in YouTube? Yeah, Anand, it is in YouTube. I will share this YouTube link. Just go here and copy. Anand, please take this one, everyone, and go back to this. Okay, Anand, please take down this, everyone. So this is YouTube link. You can refer to that and work and create an interactive profile. See, we have to spend more time, but is a 3 days boot camp. See, rather than I take 3 hours, I break down in every day 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. All right, team. So you will join tomorrow? Yes, online guys. Yes. Divya, still folder is empty? No, I think you got this access. One second. Okay, again, it's empty. I will fix this. Respond available to recommend that. Make sure this content is okay. Classroom, just folder not empty. Will join tomorrow. So guys, that's it for today. And okay, so I think I will make a sir error for Google Classroom. Okay, then once again I'll post here and you will get the file, guys. No problem. You will get the file. Okay, now it will work. Please check this. So today we completed. Today we are completed day 1. Okay, and resume building bootcamp. So tomorrow we meet at the same time. Okay, day 2, and I will tell you what's meant by ATS, how to check ATS score. We'll understand more about this, guys. We'll understand some of the project building, and based on things we can refer to that. Okay, so stay tuned for tomorrow session. Stay tuned for tomorrow sessions, guys. Okay, so put files in Google Classroom. See, Megha, please upload. It does not matter whether you need to download. I already shared this. Okay, yeah. So request to put files. Megha, I'm talking to you itself. Okay, easy for us. No problem. I can share it tomorrow. So let's everybody join, and I will post all the files in the Google Classroom. No problem. So how do you feel, guys? It's a good session or online team? And yes, so thank you. Impressive. Very good. Thanks, team. So we can connect tomorrow, and please post your resume. Good, guys. Impressive. Thank you. And very interesting. Okay. So I'll share all the details. It's good sessions. Voice is very clear. Amazing. Excellent. So we can connect tomorrow. We'll check how to. So I want you to today go home and build a session, and then we can do this. Learn a lot of things in these sessions. Fantastic. Narendra. Excellent. Thank you. Okay. Okay, Jagdish, unmute you. You wanted to speak up? Yeah. So I think you raise your hands. So I just want to see. So session amazing. This is exactly we need. Very good, Joycey. Jagdish, unmute you. So please join, and everything is it's recorded, and I'll post this YouTube live. So you can anybody miss, you can refer to it, and you can understand this. All right. Thanks. And okay, so one because I mean, Aarti, unmute you. Please go ahead, Aarti. Let's stop it. Aarti, I can hear you. Please go ahead. I'll unmute you. Can you unmute? If any questions we can discuss. So do one thing. Any questions, write a questions, and tomorrow we'll discuss. All right, team? Okay, thanks. And see you tomorrow, and catch you in tomorrow's sessions, guys. Thanks. Okay, have a good day. And don't forget to comment on the video, guys, so that we can have more exciting sessions for tomorrow's. Thank you. Bye, team.